Dennis Waitley once said, "Time is the great equalizer, the only equal opportunity employer. Each human being has exactly the same number of hours and minutes every day. Rich people can't buy more hours, scientists can't invent new minutes, and you can't save time to spend it on another day. Even so, time is amazingly fair and forgiving. No matter how much time we have wasted in the past, you still have an entire tomorrow." These words are a powerful reminder of the value of time and how we can use it to our advantage. Time blocking is a productivity technique that can help us make the most of every minute we have by prioritizing our task and avoiding distractions. In this video, we will explore the benefit of time blocking and provide practical tips to help you get started. So let's dive into and start taking control of our time. Every day we are faced with countless distractions that pulls us away from our goals and leaves us feeling unproductive and unfulfilled. Whether it is mindlessly scrolling through social media, watching TV for hours on end, or engaging in gossip and rumors, these activities can be addictive and ultimately harmful to our to our bodies and minds. At the end of the day, when we reflect on what we have accomplished, we find ourselves empty-handed, with zero progress to show for our time. These can lead to feeling of depression, anxiety, and stress. As we struggle to break free from the cycle of unproductive habits, the truth is time is a finite source that we can never get back, and wasting it on meaningless activities can be detrimental to our personal growth and happiness. That's where time blocking comes in. By intentionally planning out our days and prioritizing the things that matters most to us, we can make the most of our time and achieve our goals and purpose and intention. Time blocking is a productivity technique popularized by the late author and productivity expert Dr. Stephen Covey in his best-selling book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, published in 1989. Time blocking is a simple yet powerful productivity technique that involves breaking up your day into blocks of time and assigning a specific task or activity to each block. By doing this, you can focus your energy and attention on one task at a time, avoid distractions, and make the most of your time. Time blocking helps you prioritize your most important tasks and ensures that you have enough time to complete them. It's a highly effective way to manage your time and increase your productivity. We all know how stressful it becomes for us to prepare for our final exams. You know what? With the help of time blocking techniques, you can easily get through in your exams. Let's say you have 5 subjects to prepare for your upcoming final exams. You may feel overwhelmed and stressed out about how you are going to manage studying for all 5 subjects, especially when they each require a significant amount of time and effort. With time blocking, you can break down your study sessions into manageable chunks. For example, you might schedule a 90-minute block of time in the morning to study for one subject, followed by a 60-minute break, and then another 90-minute block of time to study for a different subject. By focusing your energy and attention on one subject at a time, you will be able to make significant progress and retain more information. In addition to helping you manage your time more effectively, time blocking can also help reduce stress and anxiety. When you know exactly what you need to be doing during each block of time, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed by the big picture and instead focus on the task at hand. These can help you feel more in control of your studying and better prepared for your exams. So why does this time blocking work? When you schedule your task in advance, you are less likely to procrastinate or get sidetracked by less important tasks. You are also more likely to complete your task on time and feel a sense of accomplishment. Time blocking helps you be intentional with your time, making sure that you are spending it on the things that matter most. How to time block? The first step is to identify your most important tasks and prioritize them. Then divide your day into blocks of time and assign each block to a specific task or group of tasks. Be realistic and flexible with your schedule and make sure to include breaks and time for unexpected tasks. During each block of time, focus only on the task at hand and avoid distractions such as social media, emails, or phone calls. Set a timer for each block of time and use it as a reminder to stay on track. The benefits of time blocking are numerous. By using these techniques, you can increase your productivity, reduce stress, and improve your work-life balance. Time blocking also helps you develop better time management habits, which can benefit you in all areas of life. In a nutshell, time blocking is a simple but powerful time management technique that can help you achieve more in less time. By prioritizing your task, avoiding distractions, and being intentional with your time, you can increase your productivity and improve your quality of life. So remember, time and tide wait for none. Start implementing time blocking in your life and see how it can turn you in a new leaf. We hope you find this video informative and helpful in learning about concepts of time blocking. If you enjoy this video, please like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal growth and development. Thank you for watching.